How to remove any virus and malware on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, and the most effective fix is to simply restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can stop temporary malicious scripts or background processes. Next, go ahead and you can simply try to delete any suspicious apps, as apps downloaded outside trusted sources or unknown apps can cause issues. So go ahead and tap hold on the suspicious app and then tap on the remove app option and then on delete app and delete the app from your device. Further, launch the settings application on your device and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps and then tap on Safari. Further, go ahead and tap on the clear history and website data option and confirm the action. Once cleared, go back to settings and tap on general and then on VPN and device management and delete any unknown profiles. Now go back to general and in general again, tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update it, as update includes security patches that remove vulnerabilities from your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to settings and tap on privacy and security, and then go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and enable app tracking transparency as well as enable lockdown mode on your iPhone. Also, go back to settings and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. This will remove hidden system changes without deleting your data. So these were a few ways on how you can remove any virus and malware on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.